Welcome to another how-to crypto tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to purchase cryptocurrency through the Trustwallet app. First, if you haven't already done so, go to your App Store and download the Trustwallet app. Once it's downloaded, open the app. This is the main page of your Trust Wallet. It shows any coins or tokens that are housed in that wallet. To make a purchase, click on the Buy button in the upper right side of the screen. This is a list of all available cryptocurrencies you can buy through the app. For this example video, we're going to choose BNB Smart Chain. After selecting your currency, you will have to choose a transaction provider. There are several providers listed, so just pick the one that has the cheapest transaction fee. For this video example, we'll use Moonpay. Once you pick a provider, enter the transaction amount you wish to purchase. For all purchases, the minimum transaction amount is $50 so input whatever amount you wish and hit the Next button. This will now bring you to the Moonpay Checkout page, where you will need to enter your email address to receive a verification code. Once you get the email, copy the numbers and enter them into the verification area in your Trust Wallet. Click the two checkboxes to agree to the terms of service and click Continue. In order to confirm your purchase, you will now need to enter some personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and nationality. Next, you will be asked to enter your billing address. Once all this information is correct, you can click Continue. The final step is to verify your cell phone number. Once you have done all these things, you can confirm your order by clicking the checkbox at the bottom left of the screen and then tapping the Pay button. After a few minutes, your purchase should show up in the specified wallet address. Thanks for watching this video. If it was useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.